Hi guys, you're welcome to this step-by-step guide on how you can connect MemeFi to OKX on the Sui network. MemeFi is joining the Sui ecosystem and will be launching on the Sui Blockchain network. So it's important to connect your OKX wallet on the Sui network. So guys, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can do it, and it's very easy. Just make sure you hang on to the end of this video to get it all. And also, if this video is helpful to you, please consider liking, subscribing, and leaving a comment. So guys, let's get started. So guys, now the first step now is to go over to your Telegram app and open up your MemeFi mining bot. As you can see here, here's my MemeFi mining bot. So guys, now the next step you have to take now is to tap on where you can see the OKX logo. You can see there on the left hand side, the arrow is pointing at it. What you have to do now is to tap on it. So guys, let me tap on it right away. So guys, now you can see here's the next step. You can see what's written there: connect OKX wallet on Sui. Big news, MemeFi is joining the Sui ecosystem and will launch on Sui. Connect your wallet to Sui to complete the task. So guys, this is a very important task that you have to do for you to be eligible to actually receive your MemeFi token. Earlier before now, we were told that MemeFi will be launching on the Ethereum blockchain, but things have changed right now. They are going to be launching on the Sui network. So it's important to actually get this connected. And also another thing you have to know is that earlier before now we were asked to actually deposit Ethereum in our MemeFi wallet. I think what they are going to do next is to actually ask us to deposit Sui into our MemeFi wallet. You have to expect that in the future. So that's what I will do now is to show you guys how you can actually connect your OKX wallet on Sui. How you can actually connect your MemeFi mining bots to OKX on the Sui network. So guys, let me show you guys how you can do it. What you have to do right away now to connect your OKX wallet on the Sui network is to tap on where you can see check the tax. You can see it right there, the arrow is pointing at it. So guys, let me go ahead now to tap on it. So guys, now you can see it's loading. Let's just wait for a few seconds. So guys, now you can see what's written there. OKX wallet is available on OKX app and Telegram. That means you can actually use your OKX app, or you can use OKX on Telegram. You can actually create an OKX wallet on Telegram. And guys, in case you don't know how to create an OKX wallet on Telegram, I've already made a video on that, on how you can create an OKX wallet on Telegram. Just go over to the description of this video. I'm going to be leaving the link right there. Tap on the link, they'll be able to know how to create an OKX wallet on your Telegram app. So guys, you can see right here we have two options here. The first one is connect to OKX app, while the second one is connect to OKX mini wallet. The second option is for the OKX wallet on Telegram. So if you've created your OKX wallet on Telegram, you can use the second option, and that's the option I'm going to be using in this video tutorial today. So let me tap on it right away. You can see the arrow is pointing at it. Let me tap on it quickly. So guys, now you can see my OKX wallet on Telegram is opening. You can see it's loading up. So guys, now you can see it's asking me to input my fingerprint. So let me place my fingerprint at the back of my phone and my fingerprint sensor. So guys, now you can see it has accepted my fingerprint and it's loading. So guys, now you can see my OKX wallet on Telegram has opened up. You can see now it's loading up the interface that I can use to connect my MemeFi to my OKX wallet on Sui. So guys, now you can see the page has loaded up. You can see what's written there at the top: request from MemeFi. That means MemeFi wants to connect to your OKX on the Sui network. You can see what's written down there: allow DApp. That means MemeFi to connect with your OKX wallet. So guys, now to do that, you have to tap on where you can see connect. You can see there on the right hand side, the arrow is pointing at it. So let me tap on it. So guys, now you can see it's loading. Wow guys, you can see connected. So guys, now you can see it has directed me back to MemeFi mining app. You can see what's written here. They said confirm the transaction in OKX mini wallet. So guys, as you can see, it's loading up. So what I will do now is to wait till it's done loading, then I can confirm it. So guys, now you can see it's opening up. Let's just wait for a few seconds. OKX wallet loading. So let me input my fingerprint once again. Let me put it at the back of my fingerprint sensor. So guys, now you can see it's loading up. It's loading up. It's loading up. Well guys, now you can see the confirm page. You can see it right there. You can see where it is written confirm at the bottom right corner. The arrow is pointing at it. So let me confirm the connection right away. Let me tap on it. So guys, you can see it's loading up. Let's just wait for a few seconds. I think my internet connection is very bad. That's why this is very slow. Just bear with me. Wow guys, can see transaction sent. Your transaction will be processed in a few seconds. You can see what's written at the top: task successfully completed. You can return to the game. So guys, now let me cancel out of this now so I can return back to the MemeFi mining bot. So let me cancel out now. Wow guys, now you can see what's written there: thank you for completing the task. Your OKX wallet is now connected. You have earned 25 million coin. So guys, now what I have to do now is to tap on return to the game. So guys, now this is how you can be able to connect your MemeFi to OKX wallet on the Sui network. So guys, I've been able now to show you guys how you can connect on the Sui network, and I believe this was helpful to you. If it was, please consider liking, subscribing, and leaving a comment. See you on the next upload. Bye bye. Peace.